Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by downloading Voicemod from the official site and run the installer file. Follow the on-screen steps and allow device driver installation if prompted by Windows. Open Voicemod and select your physical microphone under Input Settings. Set Voicemod Virtual Audio Device as your system output device for apps. Next, set Windows Sound Control Panel default format to 48,000 HZ and 16-bit for best quality. Restart any communication apps like Discord or OBS. After these changes, open the voice app you want to use and select Voicemod Virtual Audio as the input. In Voicemod, pick your physical mic under the hardware input menu to capture sound. Match sample rates by choosing 48,000 HZ in both Voicemod and the app audio settings. Turn on low latency mode in Voicemod if available to reduce delay while streaming. Record a quick test clip to confirm synchronization and ensure latency stays under 30 ms. Adjust buffer size if you experience clicks or dropouts. Browse Voicemod presets to find a starting voice and then click Edit to customize. Stack effects like pitch, reverb, and formant shifting and tweak parameters to shape the tone. Use specific pitch shifts of plus or minus semitones to keep clarity while changing gender or age. Assign hotkeys so you can switch voices instantly during calls or streams without leaving your app. Save your custom preset and export it for backup to avoid recreating settings later. Practice transitions and monitor CPU usage to keep it between 2 and 5%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.